Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to beat hard levels in Candy Crush Saga. Before making any moves, thoroughly understand what you need to achieve, whether it's clearing jelly, reaching a target score, or bringing down ingredients. Take a moment to analyze the board. Plan your moves to create special candies and combos that will help you achieve the level's objectives. Focus on creating and using special candies, as they are crucial in clearing obstacles and achieving goals efficiently. Combining special candies creates powerful effects. Like a strip candy and wrap candy combo can clear a significant portion of the board. Save boosters for when they can make a decisive impact. They are particularly useful in breaking through tough blockers or reaching hard-to-access areas. Identify and prioritize clearing blockers such as chocolate and marmalade. Clearing these early creates space and opportunities for making matches. Focus on making matches at the bottom of the board. This creates cascades and increases the chances of creating special candies and combos. In levels with move limits, use the last few moves to create special candies and trigger Sugar Crush for extra points and potential cascades. Some levels have specific pattern or obstacles. Study the board layout to identify opportunities for creating special candies and planning strategic moves. Some levels have secondary objectives. Balance these with the main objective to progress effectively. Each move is valuable, especially in levels with move limits. Avoid making random moves and focus on those that contribute directly to achieving the level's goals. In level with Candy Frog, feed it candies strategically to clear blockers or reach objectives that are otherwise hard to access. Don't rush through moves. Stay calm and think through each move carefully, especially in challenging levels where strategy is crucial. If one approach isn't working, try a different strategy. Sometimes a new perspective can help you break through a tough level. Instead of using special candies immediately, save them for moments when they can help you clearing blockers, reach objectives, or create combos. And that's how to beat hard levels in Candy Crush Saga. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.